Notwithstanding that Nandlall has cited Article 182 of the Constitution of Ghana, which dictates that the head of state shall not be personally answerable to any court for the performance of the functions of his or her office or for any act done in the performance of those functions, and that no proceedings, whether criminal or civil, can be laid against him in his personal capacity, the PSC has countered that it has listed the President as a respondent to the application in his professional capacity and that he is a proper party to the application. That contention was relayed in a fixed date application filed recently by the PSC attorneys, Dexter Smart, Dexter Todd, and Selwyn Peters. Peters also spoke with Nightly News via telephone on Monday, where he confirmed a number of clauses in the application responding to the Attorney General.
In this case, the Constitution doesn't say that you can't name the President as a party to an application.
Nandlall also cited Section 10 of the State Liability and Proceedings Act of the country, which mandates that proceedings for the enforcement of any claim by or against the state shall be brought by or against the Attorney General, to support his argument that the President's name should be struck out from the application by the PSC based on the fact that the President is not a proper party to the matter, supported by Article 182 of the Constitution. This, however, was challenged by the Commission's attorneys on the grounds that the head of state is not above the Constitution. At paragraph 33 of the PSC's response, it said that based on the supremacy of the Constitution, the power of public litigants to seek recourse against the President for direct violations of the Constitution has special importance for the rule of law.
Even that discrete motion that Mr. Nandlall brought is important for future guidance, because there's no case in Guyana that has dealt with that particular.
Based on the reasons submitted above, the PSC maintains that the President has been properly named as a party in his public and official capacity, and that naming the President in his official capacity is not prohibited by any provision of statute, the Constitution, or any other rule of principles of the laws of Guyana.
If you list His Excellency President, that you're not listing him in his personal capacity, you're listing him as he is the state.
The PSC recently filed a fixed date application asking that the court reverse or rescind the President's decision to suspend the PSC. In June, the President suspended all the members of the Commission following disagreements over a number of issues. The PSC has been accused of accepting monies to review the standing orders of the Ghana Police Force, which the government says is a direct conflict of interest, citing that the PSC is the oversight body of the police force, responsible for promotions and disciplinary actions of officers from the rank of superintendent to deputy commissioner of police. The PSC, on the other hand, has accused the President of trying to influence the promotion of officers of his choice within the force, an act several sections of society has labeled as unconstitutional. Reporting for the HGP Nightly News, Wendell Badry.